Good morning, I'm Jack Wachowski, Facilities Manager at Decathlon Poland. We're here at the Decathlon Bytom site where we've installed a BMS system from Loxone.
Loxone. Szukaliśmy rozwiązania dla
We were looking for a solution to manage our facilities' utilities more efficiently, aiming to reduce their number. Additionally, we sought a system that could integrate all our installations, providing us with a real-time overview of system performance, enabling communications with services for potential repairs. Since installing the BMS system in the shop, we've achieved a 14% reduction in energy.
Należy tu dodać, że cały 2023 rok optymalizowaliśmy zużycie energii manualnie.
Good afternoon. My name is Lukas Kapusta and I am the owner of Look System. From our first meeting with Decathlon, it was clear that they are deeply committed to sustainability. A pleasant surprise was discovering that the shop we automated was already well managed and optimized in terms of energy consumption. Despite this, Decathlon was very keen on achieving further savings. We focused on automation, as it was the only way to achieve additional energy savings in such a well-managed environment. Our control and monitoring efforts centered on the elements that yield the greatest savings: lighting, ventilation, and air conditioning. We also considered environmental factors such as using F-gas sensors in rooftop units and monitoring water consumption. One of Decathlon's main objectives was to consolidate all signals from various systems into one coherent BMS system. Despite challenges posed by the age of the shop and the diversity of technologies in use, we succeeded 100%. And now Loxone's BMS system manages everything.
W 100% i teraz system BMS firmy Loxone zarządza wszystkim.
Cześć, Patryk Serafin.
Hi, I'm Patrick Serafin, Operations Leader at Decathlon in the Bytom branch, Poland. I'd like to share a few words about the BMS system we have in our shop. Until recently, I had to manage everything manually, turning on the lighting, maintaining the temperature on the sales floor, and ensuring comfort in the social areas. However, since the BMS was implemented, life has become simpler, easier, and more enjoyable. Now our facility is fully automated. I no longer have to manually adjust lighting or worry about the temperature on the sales floor. The comfort for me and my team is greatly improved because through the app I can easily check if everything is functioning properly and identify any potential faults that may require contacting our maintenance team. I'd like to highlight three key benefits the Loxone system provides. First, the full automation of all the equipment in the facility. Second, the schedule and scenes tailored to individual devices. And third, the instant feedback on any failures that occur on site. Previously, during busy periods, it was easy to forget to switch on the outdoor car park lighting at the right time. But with the Loxone BMS, this issue is a thing of the past, as it automatically adjusts and switches on at dusk. The Loxone system has intelligently learned our facility's needs. For example, when we arrive at work, the building is already at the perfect temperature. Thanks to the Loxone app, I can easily verify where a water leak has occurred. In the past, I'd have had to run around the facility to diagnose the problem. Now I can quickly spot the issue through the app, contact the water company, and the problem is swiftly resolved. The biggest winner in the collaboration between Decathlon and Loxone is the environment. Together we are reducing CO2 emissions.
Razem ograniczamy emisję CO2.